how to create a poll on Wix. So here from the homepage of Wix, I've just clicked on Edit Site, which has taken me to the Wix website editor. Now, once taken to the Wix website editor, we want to click on search here in the top right corner, and we're simply going to search for poll. Now, I recommend this application here, Quick Polls. We're simply going to click on it, and it's going to look like this here, and we will add this to our site. So we're going to agree on add here, and it's going to appear in a second. So it's going to look like this, and we can readjust it to where we want to place it here. And if we want to change anything, we will just click on settings here, right above it, and you will see this. So we will first see the options for our post setup here. So we can do buttons in image, we can do a star rating, we can do emojis, and we can do the standard one. Now here's where we change the question itself. Are you enjoying our website, as an example here? And we can select the number of poll options. So we can do 3 options. So we can do yes, no, and absolutely, just as an example here. So as you can see, now we have added these 3 options here. And if we go to settings, we can remove the powered by watermark here if we have a premium plan. And we can also add it to 1 answer per visitor here. And we can set the post date to open or closed, and poll opens immediately, or we can do it after a set amount of time. And we can choose the place for this poll. So as you can see, bottom left corner, bottom, or bottom right corner where it was originally. We can change the design here, so we can customize it to our liking, as well as the answers. We can save it to our email address here. So we can type out our email address, and we will be able to save them like so. And basically, after we have set this up, you will see a pie graph here as well. And we can also give feedback to the app itself, but we don't want to do that right now. So that's how you do it. That's how you set up a poll in Wix. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.